Hey guys, my name's Rebecca, and I'm an explainer at the New York Hall of Science. Today, my brother John and I are going to be showing you how to make a really simple brownie. All you need are 3 ingredients: flour, eggs,
and Nutella.
Yes, of course we need Nutella. But if you guys don't want to use Nutella, you could always substitute it for something else that's fatty and sweet, like cookie butter. So, let's get started. To start, preheat your oven to 375. So when you're finished mixing all your ingredients, you could just place it in the oven. After doing that, grab a medium-sized bowl or so you could start placing in your ingredients. The first ingredient we'll need is
Nutella.
No, actually first we'll need to crack 2 eggs.
Ew, why would you put eggs in brownies? That's disgusting.
Well, cooking is like a chemistry. You need certain ingredients to help make the batter stick together. The egg whites help to bind in all the ingredients and make the goodie rise. The yolks contain fat, which prevents the gluten from forming and makes the brownie softer and creamier. Our next ingredient is
Nutella.
Nope, flour. We need 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour.
What's the chemistry behind flour?
Well, flour has starch, which gives structure to the brownie. Flour also contains protein, which helps to make the batter tougher and stick together.
Now we have to have the Nutella.
You're right. This recipe calls for 1 1/4 cup of Nutella.
I did the math in my head, and 1 1/4 cups of Nutella converts to about 10 ounces.
You're correct. This will help to keep the gluten at bay, and the Nutella will add a lot of sweetness to our dessert. After you mixed all your ingredients together, grease your 9 by 9 inch pan with some type of oil, fat, or even parchment paper. This is to prevent the brownie batter from sticking to your pan. After you have poured the batter, John, what are you doing? Anyways, place the pan for 15 minutes in the oven or till the toothpick comes out nice and clean. Now for the best part, time to test the product.
Delicious.
Thanks for joining us. Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.